A few days ago, I went to the Albanese Candy Factory in northern Indiana. I picked out all of the holiday treats, and today I finally get to try them. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe. It's the best gift that you can give to me, and you'll be the first to know when I go on my next adventure. Before I introduce our special guest, here's a look at the Albanese Candy Store. I'm just outside of the Albanese Candy Factory. Albanese is known by all of my friends to have the very best gummy bears, but I'm hoping, since it's a few weeks before Christmas, that they have some special treats. I'm gonna pick out a few that I've never seen before, take them home, and give them a try. Everyone is getting gummies for Christmas. You know her from fan favorites like climbing Mount Bierstadt and the Nashville food tour. Here's Courtney.
I'm pretty sure you forgot your hat.
I did. I'm gonna be covered in glitter until Christmas.
But it's awesome.
Are you ready for this?
I am ready to eat all this yummy food.
We have 3 rounds of candy that we're gonna try. We're gonna pick our favorite from each round and then our favorite overall. So we're gonna start with gummies. Albanese Candy Factory has the best gummies, which we've already tried this week. But these are the Christmas gummies. We're also gonna do the peanut butter round, which is how I convinced Courtney to do this video. And then Christmas favorites. We have peppermint bark, peppermint squares, and salted caramel. So we are gonna start with gummies. You don't know what we're gonna eat.
I have no idea.
Okay, so we're starting with the gummy round. These are supposed to be like peppermint bears.
What?
Yeah, so
I
we
love
might.
peppermint.
Oh, that's good. That's good for today. Peppermint bears. So we have snowflakes, we have regular trees, sugar-coated trees, and Christmas bears. Which one do you want to start with?
We're gonna go with the
Sugar-coated?
sugar-coated.
Do you want white or green?
I think I want half of each.
We have to cut them all in half. I don't know if I've ever cut a gummy in half. I hope we have enough film. I'm a million. This is definitely digital. Let's start. Where do you want to start? Sugar-coated?
We're gonna start with sugar-coated.
Okay, I'll take this small tree. That is apple.
It is.
That's apple. I don't like it.
Is it a sour apple? Probably with the sugar.
Oh yeah, sour. I don't know what a sour snowman's gonna taste like. Coconut? Did I eat it too fast?
I don't know that it's coconut. I'm not sure what flavor it is though.
I think I like the sour idea. Let's go to the non-sour. I'm gonna go green again. It's more apple.
Mm-hmm. So they just had a sugar-coated one and non-sugar-coated.
That's definitely apple. Cherry.
I do like cherry. So was that a Christmas tree? Both Christmas trees, non-sugar. One was apple and one was cherry.
Yeah, so the red was cherry, green was apple, and the white was a snowman. Okay, let's do the bears. Maybe this white is the same. No pressure.
Do you feel like it's the same flavor as a sugar-coated snowman? And I just don't know what the flavor is.
Yeah.
Bet it is
I
apple.
think this one's smaller.
It was apple.
Okay, so now that we've gotten through the green ones, I think we should move on to the snowflakes.
I'm gonna go with blue.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with salt.
You can go. Okay.
And it's good.
Blue raspberry, which I'd have to say is a childhood favorite, but it's still a favorite. So.
Cherry was always mine. I bet this is the non-descript.
I know, and I took a big piece
flavor.
to figure it out. I think it's pineapple.
I would say you're probably correct on that because it does have a fruity, tropical flavor.
I think it's pineapple, which is the best gummy flavor.
But it's not necessarily Christmas flavor.
People use pineapples to to decorate for Christmas. It's a sign of wealth.
I did not know this.
Yeah.
What?
I don't know if green apple is Christmassy, but pineapple is definitely Christmas.
Okay. I bet
That's the smallest bear. This is the mini bear.
Is it going to be cherry?
No, it's supposed to be peppermint.
Oh, that's right. Can I put it in my coffee and just let it sit in there?
We will have more peppermint in a minute.
Okay.
Wow. That is
good.
very pepperminty.
Yeah, whoa, it's a little overpowering, but it's very good. It's like a candy cane peppermint.
It is. It is
Yeah.
like candy cane peppermint.
And that's usually a little too much peppermint for me.
What was your favorite from the gummies?
I would have to go with a cherry flavored tree that was non-sugary. Yeah.
So just the plain Christmas gummies.
Yes, I think that was my favorite. Yeah.
I'm gonna go with snowflakes. I think snowflakes were the best one there because you had like the pineapple flavor and the blue raspberry, and those are two of the best. Are you ready for round 2?
Yes.
I think I need more coffee. Can we have it? That's better. Are you ready for round 2?
I am very ready for round 2 because it has a peanut butter cup, and that is my favorite.
It's actually the peanut butter round, so we have a big peanut butter cup, dark chocolate Buckeye, and milk chocolate Buckeye. You only get to pick one favorite from this round.
One?
Yeah. Check out the layers in that peanut butter cup. I think we're really gonna have to suffer through this one.
Yeah, it's gonna be horrible.
What do you want to start with?
This one.
You want to start right with the big peanut butter cup?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do it. Oh, it all squeezed out. Then you just did it.
That is good.
I think your approach is better.
So the peanut butter is very creamy inside, and then the 2 pieces of chocolate on the outside are harder, very milk chocolatey. I almost would want more peanut butter.
It's almost like all of the sweetness in the peanut butter cup comes from the chocolate, and then the peanut butter layer is just peanut butter.
It was very good.
Let's jump to dark chocolate. So painful.
There's almost like a saltiness, like a salted chocolate to it. That's very good.
I have made Buckeyes, but I always made them too big, and I think one time I got tired halfway through, and they ended up kind of like baseballs, which you wouldn't mind.
I would be okay with.
Yeah.
I don't know. That one's my favorite so far. I know we're not talking favorites yet.
We have one more to try.
I
You
know.
can't pick. It's too soon. Do you want to try the milk chocolate one?
I definitely.
Do you want to just go to the next round?
No.
Okay. You take the big one.
Uh-huh.
Also, I think that's yours.
Okay.
Oh, that is good.
I also might go into a sugar coma by the end of this video.
Never. Okay, that was the end of round 2. Do you have a favorite, or do you want me to go first?
I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
Definitely the dark chocolate was by far the best in my opinion.
The dark chocolate.
Yes, I thought peanut butter cup, that was gonna be the one, that was gonna be the favorite. But I think it was too much of the chocolate versus peanut butter ratio. So I'm very shocked that was third for me.
I am actually going to choose the milk chocolate Buckeye. I think that the dark chocolate Buckeye was really good, but that didn't balance well with like the sweetness of the peanut butter, and I think the milk chocolate Buckeye just melded together as a really good piece of candy. Do you want to keep that for later, or should I just toss it out?
I mean, let's not get crazy here. It's
Okay.
definitely gonna need to keep it for later.
Can you do one more round?
If you're gonna twist my arm, I probably can do one more round.
Okay, round 3. Third cup of coffee, third round of candy.
Yes, so much coffee.
This is peppermint round, so we have peppermint bark. Peppermint bark looks really neat. We have dark chocolate peppermint square, milk chocolate peppermint square, and then salted caramel.
I'm already excited about the salted caramel.
I thought you'd like the salted caramel. I thought that'd be a good classic Christmas candy to add in, so we'll see how it is. Oh, it's green.
What?
We both really like Andy's mints, so this is gonna be really good. I didn't expect it to be green inside, but it looks really pretty with the dark chocolate and the candy cane on top and the green mint in the middle. Round 3, which one do you want to try first?
I'm gonna let you decide.
I get to pick?
You get to pick.
I think I'm gonna go with peppermint bark. That is so good.
So white chocolate, peppermint candies mixed in. It is very good. Usually don't gravitate towards white chocolate.
Yeah.
But it's very smooth. And I think it has a very good flavor.
This is the only thing I picked out with white chocolate, and it makes me want more. It also makes me want it to have like a pretzel mixed in. Have you ever had pretzels with white chocolate and peppermint?
Yeah.
That would be perfect. Do you want to pick the next one?
I want to do the dark chocolate mint, and then the salted caramel, and then the milk chocolate mint.
So you want to go back and forth?
I do. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one. It's melting in my fingers.
That is good. Mmm. Is it like Andy's mint?
It's just a big Andy's mint.
Oh my goodness. That is good. And the dark chocolate is very good with it.
The dark chocolate just melts. Sometimes you have dark chocolate that doesn't melt very well, and that just melts immediately.
Oh wow, that was good.
With the mint. That's the end. We're done. But do you want to try them anyway?
Yeah.
Do you want to move on to the caramel?
But that mint.
But you picked mint to end on, so it'll be okay.
Yeah.
Classic salted caramel. We have nice salt crystals on top. Clear caramel situation. I'll let you have the one with more salt.
That caramel is very good.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of flavor from the salt added on. I'm gonna get my little
You're gonna get that little extra piece? The caramel almost has like a homemade caramel flavor. Like you can taste the butter.
Yeah.
You don't normally get that flavor on a bought piece of caramel.
I don't know. This is shaping up to be my favorite round.
That's why we saved it for last.
Yeah.
Actually, I thought peanut butter would be your favorite, but good plan. Are you ready for the last one?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one. We just want the filling. Can we just buy the filling?
I mean, the chocolate is very good too. Oh no.
Oh, it's so good.
I think because it's milk chocolate and not dark chocolate, the mint is even more overpowering in the milk chocolate. I think the dark chocolate, it had a nice mix because you could taste the dark chocolate more than the Andy's mint. So I think that was perfect.
I agree. I think that the chocolate just carries the mint. So if you want a strong mint flavor, go with the milk chocolate. If you want chocolate and mint, go with the dark chocolate. What was your favorite from this round?
Obviously my favorite was the dark chocolate and mint. It was so good. The Andy's mint flavor to it was perfect. The dark chocolate kind of made it a nice mix, and the peppermint on top was an added bonus.
I can't object to that. I think that that was the best one of this round.
It might have been the best candy yet.
Are you gonna go ahead and call it right now?
I think for me, that was the best thing that we tried from Albanese.
Okay, but you had the gummies, all the gummies, whole peanut butter round. You're saying that beat everything.
I think that beat everything. That was so perfect.
I agree. It's the best one.
Wow.
Actually, I would say it's so good. It's worth the trip going. I would drive back to get it. And next time I'm going to convince you to stop just so we can have. We have a few extras for tomorrow.
Yes, I am excited to eat all of them tomorrow, but mostly that one.
This candy factory is in Merrillville, Indiana.
And for those that are not from Indiana,
Northwestern Indiana, just about an hour and a half outside of Chicago.
I am going to have to go right now to get more because I don't know if they're going to have those anytime besides Christmas.
After this much sugar, you could probably run there.
I'm leaving right now, but I'm taking your hat.
Thank you for joining us today to try all of these candies. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and we will catch you on the next adventure.
I feel like I'm on The Delicious Dish.
Oh, on NPR. Seasons, eatings. You get the coffee. It's really far away. High quality production value. Isn't the crew supposed to do this?
Y'all need to help her get more subscribers so she can have a crew.
Correct. Whoa! Okay.
Bringing in the big guns.